Are you tired of dry, tough pork chops? This air fryer method delivers the juiciest, most flavorful pork chops you've ever made at home, and they're going to be ready in under 30 minutes. Now, first go ahead and preheat your air fryer, set it to 400 degrees, and then start with your customized spice blend. It contains brown sugar, smoked paprika, kosher salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and dry mustard. Then our secret to this is pat your pork chops dry and then spread vegetable oil on them. This does two things. It makes sure that your pork chops are going to be juicy, and it also gives the seasoning blend something to stick on. Now shake off your pork chops before you put them in, and then slide those pork chops into your air fryer. Cook for about 6 minutes on each side, and just look at that perfect caramelization. They're juicy on the inside, perfectly seasoned on the outside. Tag someone who needs to level up their pork chop game. And if you're looking for more game day worthy recipes, come on over to GameDayEats.com.